Thank you for joining me here at TruLuv Designs. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my Make 9 for 2022. Some of these are patterns that I've had for a while and just haven't gotten around to making, and others are new, recently added to my collection. I picked them up at the Simplicity pattern sale at Joann's this past weekend. Alright guys, so these patterns are in no particular order of how I'm going to make them throughout the year. Just whatever I feel like making, that's what I'm going to make, and I'm going to check it off my list and do a video for you and let you see how those turn out. So one of the patterns, one of my Make 9s is going to be Mimi G Simplicity Pattern S9463. Now on my envelope it says R11324, and that's because this is the display pattern. But if you're looking for it just not on the rack, in the drawer, or online, you're gonna look for it under S9463. So this pattern has two views, view A and B. View B has a peplum, which is going to be the view that I make because I love peplums. It does have buttons and it has a belt. So this will be one of my Make 9. Next pattern is Simplicity 9385, S9385. It is a knit turtleneck top. There's 4 different views. There's a boat neck, turtleneck. You have long sleeves. Some of your cuffs are a little longer than others, and some have a wider waistband. My favorite view is view C, and that's the view that I'll be making. It does have long sleeves with short cuffs and a turtleneck option. The next on my list would be Mimi G Style Pattern S8655. There are 2 views. A is the top and B is bell bottom flare high-waisted pants. I'm interested in making view A because I don't have a lot of tops in my wardrobe like this, and I just think it would be good for some variation. Next on the list is Simplicity 1538. It's a button-down top, and this is something that I need to go ahead and knock out because I haven't started on it and I need to complete it. So this will definitely be on my Make 9 list. Next pattern is It's So Simple McCall's L9507. This is a duster. I am so excited to make this. I love dusters. I don't have one, but I see people wear them with everything. They mix and match them, and I just think they are so cute, and they are a good accessory to add to any outfit. So this will definitely be at the top of my list for my Make 9. Next pattern is Simplicity 8513. These are bodysuits, and there are 5 different views. This is view A, view B, C, D, and E. There's not one of these views that I don't like. I like them all, and I will make them all. The first one that I will start with will most likely be view B because I do like the flare sleeves. I love a flare sleeve. So I think that'll be the first one that I make. View E has the little arm pockets, not a full sleeve, but kind of just goes right around your bicep. I do like that about it. View C kind of is wrap like, I guess you could say, or crisscross. Let's see. View A has the crisscross ties down the front, and view D comes up to the neck. But like I said, I like them all, and I will be making each of them. But I'm gonna start with view B. Next on the list is another Mimi G style pattern, S8830. It's a shirt dress. It has 2 views. View A is a long shirt dress. It has buttons, 2 pockets, and a belt, and long sleeves. View B is a shorter shirt dress. It has semi-long sleeves. It does have the pockets, but it doesn't have the belt. And the view that I'll be making is view A. because I like the fact that it is a little longer in length, and it would be a great option for me to wear to work without having to put any tights or anything underneath. I will get around to making view B later on, but I'm going to start with view A. Next on the list is a Simplicity So Simple A8495. I picked this pattern up at Walmart, and I was surprised to see that it was only 97 cents. And I don't think you can beat that. This is a coat, and it has one button on it. I do like it because it looks very simple with just that one button. I think you could get away with doing this easily. I haven't made any coats yet. This will be my first one. This will also be at the top of my list so that I can use this while it's still cold outside. So I'm very excited to get around to making this. I have some fleece fabric in my closet, and I had no idea what I was going to do with it. It came in the mystery box that I ordered. This would be a good pattern to use that for. Number 9 is Simplicity S8915, another Mimi G style pattern. This is a long maxi dress. It has two views, view A here and view B. The version that I am most interested in is view B. I like view A as well. But what I like about view B is that it has some sexiness to it, something you could wear out on a date on a warm day, because it is thin straps and it has a cutout in the back. But I do like that about it. On the front, the tie is tied around the neck. But I do like this pattern, and I'm interested in getting around to making this. So that wraps up my list for Make 9 2022. If you're working on any of these same patterns, please leave a comment below and let me know. I would love to see what you create. In the meantime, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when the next video goes up. Until next time, see you then.